are back with another eye look tutorial. If you are new, welcome and welcome again. And hit the subscribe button and bell to let you know when a new video is up. And thanks for the support and thanks for all the support from my original subscribers. Let's continue on with this look, shall we? So, y'all know I had to start off with my prime raccoon eyes using the Urban Decay Primer Potion, Urban Decay Concealer in the color Fair so I can get the most pigment colors on my lid. And y'all know how I am, making sure no creases and the product is dried and ready for the colors to be applied. I know that's right. You better pack it down. Pack it down real good like I always tell y'all. Like you're trying to stuff like a lot of food in one little small container. That's how it is. Now I am taking a peachy orange salmon color and placing it above my crease and a little bit before my lower brow line, just to start building my colors up from light to dark. And remember, to use a soft hand when you are doing your little your brushing and blending. Blend, baby, blend. And by the way, if you see me looking to the left a lot, I have most of my products on the side instead of the center. I have to get a table so then it can be in front of me. So I apologize if you may not see at least my left eye a lot when I'm applying the colors. And you're gonna see me later on me looking back at the camera and be like, oh my gosh, I hope I get it on camera. I didn't notice that until now. And if anyone knows what eye palette I'm using the same palette that I used back in my Sun-Kissed Barbie look. It was the what was the freaking, oh my gosh, y'all know, it was what was it? The Coastal Scents 252 eye palette. I was like, wait a minute, what was it called? I just said it. I had this freaking palette for quite some time now, so please remember. Now I'm taking this light kind of brown color and I'm gonna start applying it on the outer corner of my eye. Like I said before, I'm just gonna keep on just like building up the colors before I hit the more darker colors. so it can even bring it out even more. And if you are new, I had addressed this previously in my Sun-Kissed Barbie eye tutorial that I'm still learning to do eye makeup. However, I wanted to do videos and keep on progressing in my skills and things like that. So if anybody who's want to hit a dislike on my video or try to say something negative, I don't really care no more. I just don't care. We all got to start somewhere. We all got to start somewhere. So so I'm not here to be Mr. Perfect here, even though I would like to. sometimes, not really all the time. I'd rather just be a faulty person who has faults, okay? But still a good person at the end of the damn day, right? Right. And then I'm just gonna keep on swiping back and forth and kind of like bring it a little bit over to the closer to my lid in my crease, instead of being like all the way only onto my outer corner of my eye. Ooh, all these beats though. All these beats, they sound so good, progressing. But it's like I'm going for a swim. What? It's like I'm going for a swim. What? It's like I'm going for a swim. Dunk on it, now I'm swinging off the rim. Next, I am taking a light orange color and put it on my in the middle of my lid, and then I'm gonna just start like giving that mixing the brown and the orange in between to get rid of that harsh line. Next color I took was a light yellow and mixed it with a slight shimmery, a slight kind of shimmery yellow, mixed them together and placed it on the inner corner of my lid. I know I am if y'all noticing, baby, in this video, I know I'm making a lot of old faces when I'm applying this eyeshadow. I'm just trying to make sure that I get this right, cause I know, y'all know how y'all ever had that moment when you sit here and try to apply on eyeliner or just apply on makeup in general and you messed it up and you get so mad and heated like you gotta start this over, or you just gonna be like, forget it. It be those moments. And as well as I'm placing it on my lower lash line as well, all three of the colors to match with the top. So, you know, match with the drapes at the top, match them with the bottom drapes, you know? No pun intended. Now, once after I took the bright yellow color and put on my inner corner, then I'm just gonna blend all the colors together to make sure everything is meshing together and not any harshness is going on. Again, take your time, blend, 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 and have fun while the music blasting. That's what I'm doing. At first, I had a look I was going for from a picture. This actually wasn't the look. Like how it really didn't turn out how it was supposed to be because I did not have that specific color I need to start the transitioning. So I almost gave up doing this eye tutorial, but I was like, no, I need to sit here and keep on going. I need to practice. So let's just try to, go with the flow. And I was pretty happy with the results after I seen it and cleaned it up and stuff because I literally got the look of Nicki Minaj Queen album colors. And then I was listening to the album, hashtag synchronicities. I'm serious. I was pretty happy that I didn't stop doing it, and I'm pretty happy that I got the colors because I really like the whole album look on her cover. Now, once I feel like most of the color is blended, I go back in to bring the pigment that was lost. And then once I felt that it's really like 100% done, I started to clean up the eye area. Most of the eye area where it's like kind of like too much going on in certain places. With a makeup wipe, applied concealer to any areas to get rid of the light concealer I use on my eyes. And as well as foundation to just to make it even more seamlessly perfect. And then I'll be right back to show you the complete look after putting on the rest of my makeup. And this is the finished look. Y'all know, like last time, I had to bring out my magic mirror that always give me compliments and praise, saying, baby, you did that. You better keep on working. You better keep on working that. Keep on doing that. So I hope y'all enjoy. like I did. Like, comment, share the video, and again, subscribe, and see y'all for the next video. Peace.